Hello everybody, tonight we make a stuffed pepper. Now it's a time for the pepper. And I got over here 8 pepper. I boil for 2 minutes like this. It stay nice standing up. And I got pecorino cheese. I got 1 cup of the rice. It's arborio rice I boil. And I got a £1.5 of pork. It's shoulder pork. I got my homemade sauce. I got a Maggiorano over here. I got some fresh garlic from my garden. I got 1 onion, a fresh parsley from my garden. Okay, we gotta start to chop the onion and the garlic, because I want to start to fry. Okay, now we start with a little oil, because I want to saute the garlic and the onion. I got it right over here. Okay, like this, it gives a good taste for the stuffed, because I gotta make it. I mix it together with the rice and the meat. Okay, now, onion's ready. Okay, you don't gotta be burned. I want a nice white like this. And we put it right over here together with the meat. And now, I'll give it a little mix. Everybody like a lot of garlic and onion, especially me. I like a lot of garlic. And now, we gotta put all the rest of the stuff, the mix together. Okay, now this parsley, I got so many parsley, and I cover it every night, because night time it's cold, and I got the parsley all year long. Okay, now we put the parsley. I got over here the Maggiorano. I got the salt. I put 1 and 2 big spoons of salt. Little spoon. Okay, black pepper. I got my pecorino cheese. I got my rice over here. And we start like this. The rice, it's boiled already. Okay, now I gotta put my tomato sauce. Now, so I need more rice after, I can put more rice. It's enough for now. I wash my hands already, and I want to mix by hand this. This, in Italy, we was do a lot of pepper. This in Italy called I paparulo. I paparulo imbottiti, con carne. Okay. I can put a little bit more rice. Okay. And now we mix some more. Now it's a time of the taste. Everybody say, Pasquale, not taste like this. This is raw meat. Forget about. I was eating so many meat. In Italy, when we was kill the pig, we was say like this: carne de porc, scallop e minangorpa. The pig, you warm up a little bit, we say, and you eat. Little salt, baby. Yeah, I need 1 spoon. That's all. Good. Now, little mix. You gotta taste. So you don't taste after you cook. When you serve the people, you say, no got no salt. Oh, it's too much salt. Like this, you gotta taste. Okay, now I finish this. Okay, now we start with the spats, and I put the sauce on the barrel. Make sure the sauce it go every place. Good. Okay, now I got a question of everybody. What's the male and what's the female? Now this over here, it got a 4 chick. And this, it got a 3 chick. Now, I want to know, so somebody know, what is the male and what is the female? It's a question. I know, but I want everybody to know this. Now, let's start stuffed. And make sure they clean up really good. Look, you see? Take all the seeds out. A lot of time, the pepper, it got some bugs too inside, okay? Make sure to clean up good. Okay, now I want to finish this everything after I show you the last step. Okay, now it's time to put the hat, o capeluccio. Okay, we started with this one, nice. Now, I put this on the top like this, it covers everything in no burn. Now this, you gotta cook for 1 hour. Okay, got the meat, it's raw, you gotta cook for 1 hour, and I got a 400 degrees. Okay, good. Okay, it's 1 hour, and the pepper we take out. Oh, it's really hot. Wow. Okay, look how nice it look. I want to take it out. Maybe one this one. It look nice. Ooh, it's really hot. Little sauce on the top. My wine gotta be ready to go. And now, let's cut it. Huh? Look how beautiful. It's really, really good. It tastes like in Italy. When I was in Italy, we was making this. And the pepper is perfect cook. And I want to say to everybody, salute e chin chin with a nice glass of wine. Thank you very much, everybody. Salute e chin chin. Saluto a tutti quanti. Salute.